So, Hazelstep shoes are basically marketed as comfortable, supportive footwear designed to make walking easier while giving you a stylish alternative to traditional shoes. The marketing sounds appealing, but there are a few things I'd check before buying. The biggest question is whether the comfort and support actually live up to the claims. Features like cushioned soles or a wider design can feel great for some people, but everyone's feet are different, so there's no guarantee they'll solve problems like foot pain. I'd also pay close attention to sizing, materials, sole construction, and the return policy. A shoe can look great online but feel completely different once you actually wear it. So, are Hazelstep shoes worth buying? They could be a good option if the fit works for you, but I wouldn't buy them purely based on claims about comfort or foot support. Check independent reviews and make sure returns are straightforward. Overall, I'd approach them as a normal pair of shoes rather than a solution to foot problems. The right fit matters much more than the marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.